Good morning, students. In last video we discussed 5 rules how to change singular number in a plural number, and today we'll discuss that some more rules are here and some exceptions are there. We'll discuss it here. So let us see. In the last rule we discussed that if the last letter of the noun is F or FE will be changed in VES. There were the last fifth rule that if the last letter is F or FE will change in VES. So this calvage. So F F change in VES. If the last letter is F or FE will change in VES. So calf, knife, knives. Okay. Now there are some exceptions who doesn't follow the rules. So what are the rules exception there? There are some noun which having F or FE in the end of the word but use only S. These are some words, these are some nouns which have F or FE in the end of the word. These are having F or FE. So what is exception? That they doesn't follow the rule, and the rule is that F or F should be changed in VES, as we discussed here. That calves, F or F should change in VES, but here is not changing it. These doesn't follow the rules. So chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, hoof, hoofs, only S is added. Okay, so this is the exceptions. They use only S in the place of VES. Some nouns are there which having last letter O, then there should be used ES, but because of exceptions S will be used. So rule says that if the last letter is O in singular number, when we are changing the plural number, then ES should be added. But here are some words, some nouns which doesn't follow the rule, like kilo, kilos. So because of exceptions S will be used. Kilo, kilos, photo, photos. Okay, only S will be used to change in the plural number. Next, rule number 6 is what the rule number 6 is saying. Some nouns change in plural number by changing internal vowel A, E, I, O, U. Like man, man. So MAN, MEN. So some noun change plural number by changing internal vowel. So what is the internal vowel of this? A, and here E. So we singular number MAN or singular plural number MEN. Tooth, teeth. These are the vowels. So double O change in double E. Tooth singular number, teeth plural number. Mouse, mice. Mouse singular number, mice plural number. Louse, lies. So rule is this, that by changing the internal vowel we can change from singular number to plural number. Next, rule number 7. Rule number 7 is that some nouns change in plural number by adding en or ren. Some nouns change in plural number by adding en or ren. Ox, auction. Child, children. So by adding en or ren, like ox, auction, what added? En. Like child, children, what added? Ren. Child, children, ren. So some nouns are there which change from singular number to plural by adding en or ren. Next rule is here, rule number 8. In compound noun, 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 in compound noun Plural is made by adding s in last word of the noun. So step son, step son. So son is noun and step is all word is given step. So this is called the compound noun. What is called compound noun या pair noun भी कह सकते हैं. We can call this pair noun compound noun. Step son, step sons, step sons. So what is the rule in compound noun? Noun in compound nouns plural is made by adding s in last word. So last word is son by adding s in last word. So last word is son, sons. So plural number in compound noun, plural number is made by adding s in the last word. So last word is son and here we are adding s. Stepfather, stepfathers, stepdaughter, stepdaughters. But if man or woman word is added, then man or woman word is added, then both will be made plural. Like as how man worker, man workers. So man, men. So see here, this is man and woman. What is said? But if man or woman word is added, man or woman word is added, then both will be made plural. So both will be made plural. This will be made plural and this also will be made plural. Like man worker, men workers. S will be added in the worker. It will also change in the plural number and it will also change in the plural number. Woman, women, workers. Worker change workers and woman change women. Okay, so man change in man. Next, in the condition of noun plus preposition plus noun, first word is changed in the plural number. So see here, father noun in preposition and law noun. So noun, preposition, noun. If this type of condition is there, then first word is changed in the plural number. So first word is father, it will change in the plural number, rest will be remain same, there will be no change. Got it? So father-in-law, fathers-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. So first word used as or first word is used as to change from singular number to plural number in the safe or in the condition of noun, preposition, noun. Next rule is here, that rule number 9. Some nouns remain same in the singular and in plural number. Remain same in singular and plural number. So like deer, deer, fish, fish. So these are remain same in the plural number. So the deer singular number, this deer plural number, but these are the same. Next rule number 10 is here, singular and plural number of prepositions happens like this. So what type? Like pronoun is I in singular number, in plural number will use will, we, I, we, me, us, my, our, he, his, he, she, it. These are the singular, plural they. Him, her singular, plural them. Her singular, their plural. Himself, herself, themselves. Myself, ourselves. Yourself, yourselves. So these are the singular number and these are the plural number. How the singular number change the plural number? These are given here. Some important plurals like These are the singular number. These are plural number. Hoof, hoofs. Wall, walls. City, cities. Army, armies. Sword, swords. Arrow, arrows. Train, trains. Family, families. Tourist, tourists. Game, games. Sum, sums. Flame, flames. Street, streets. Leaf, leaves. So these are the important plurals. Now let us see some rules, some example like exercise. So how, what type of question will be there and how you will have to fill. Like exercise is given here. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of the words given in the bracket. So the words which is given in the bracket, we will write the plural in the blank. So they hurt my blank space feeling. So feeling is singular number, then plural number feelings. Okay. One morning some girls were feeding me with blank space potato. So potato singular number and potatoes plural number. They threw blank space stone at me. So stone singular number plural number stones. They all agreed to it and left for their blank space cage. So cage, cage, cage. We will stay in our blank space room. So room singular number plural number rooms. Let blank space this human being know that we are angry with them. So this singular number plural number these. Now next, they thought the blank space child cared for them. So child singular number plural number children. Now many of the blank space lady were old. So lady, ladies. Now suddenly blank space cry were heard. So cry singular number, cried plural number. Water gives life to thirsty blank space cities. So I hope you understood, and see you in the next video with a new topic.